Alright, for this job, get out of the light here, we got the factory put lead in this corner, and an individual other than factory put a dent in it. So we got to take the lead out. Not that I'm lazy, but I got to get this lead out so we can pull this out. Probably lead all the way up into here. But we're not going to go that far. Alright, get a little air. Yeah, let's see what we got. Alright. Because of this seam, it's going to pull real hard. So we're going to put this in here. See what we can do. Okay, we'll get that hooked up and see what we got. There we go. You crank, I'll hit. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah. It's coming.
Not to get this in the teeth.
Yank on her some more.
Yep.
There. The tough part are.
Broke all the way off.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that off now, it's breaking off.
Yeah, let off in her.
Oh! Fumble.
Fine. Yeah, I put that strap in backwards, didn't I? Yeah. Bitch.
Yeah, it came out a bunch though, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. It came out quite a bit. So we're gonna go at it now with the pumper. We'll just keep working it until it comes out. That done quite a bit. That helped it. Okay. So we'll start bringing it out a little at a time. That moved. That moved it. That moved. Alright, we're going to concentrate on this little corner right here. I got this part out. Now I'm going to fill this in because you can't pull it. I tried. We'll just fill it in. Just pound that around. See where it's ripped right here. We'll just fill it in. Won't take long. Okay, people, watch your eyes. Now let's see what we got here. Done as far as I'm going to go. The rest will be filler. Chrome strip covers it in it, so it's not super critical, but I don't know when he's going to get to it, so I'm not going to take the lead out. We're just going to paint over it for now. So we're going to go to the next one.